you for stopping by. We are so excited you could join us today. We're going to do a little bit of a room tour. We are staying at Port Orleans French Quarter for the very first time. We have a pool view room and we are here, like I said, for the first time. So let's give you a little tour of what it's like. If you haven't already, be sure that you hit that subscribe button and also hit that like button if you like what we're doing and you like this video. Also hit that bell notification so that you can be notified every time we release a video on Mondays and Fridays. Let's get started. Alright, so this is our room. We have a pool view room over here at Port Orleans French Quarter. We are in the corner, so we're in 2333, so it's the third floor of building 2, and we're on the very end. So we are right by the pool, obviously, because it's a pool view room, and the river, the little riverway, is right off of our room as well. So it's a great room. When you walk in, we've got this window. You can see Bryson out there. We've got this window with the little fleur-de-lis up there on the curtain rod. And the window goes all the way around, which is really cool. We have a little table with a couple chairs, and look at the Mickeys! We got beads in the Mickey shape. That's cute. And then this fabric's really cool too on these chairs. Very Nolans. We have this photo over here. Then we have our TV, which you know will have Stacy on it for the entire time we're here. This little dresser, which I'm sure has a fridge in there. So you got your little mini fridge. We have our little coffee and ice bucket and water glasses. Comes with your teas and coffee selections, of course. So then we have, this is an adjoining room. We're not adjoined, so we obviously won't use that. But we have 2 queen size beds. It's a really nice sized room, actually. And there's a ton of light. So you have these 2 lights here. Plus you have the light with the fan that we don't have on. Plus you have another light over the table here. So there's a lot of light in this room. It's really great. And then you can see the details on the bed. There, the bed frame. That's really neat too. I just love the details in these rooms. So a year ago, my mom and I were here and we stayed at Port Orleans Riverside. And we loved the resort. The resort is really great. But the room, we definitely said needed a little bit of an update. This room is really nice. This is great. So over here you have a little shelf with your coat hanger situation. A little bench, which is great. And then this is going to the bathroom, so you can see that detail up in the corners. That's really neat as well. And so this is a curtain. This curtain shuts, so you have some privacy in that area, which is really great because in the mornings, typically I get up before Bryson does, and I can like start to get ready and not have lights on in his face, which is great. So in here you have an ironing board, an iron, the little closet area with hangers, extra pillow and blanket there. I love the details on the boards as well. And then you have double vanities, double sinks, which is really nice. There's some additional storage down there, and the fleur-de-lis again. Your mirror, hello! Your makeup mirror, which I love. I love when resorts do that. You have your H2O products there. There's some more of those in the shower area, but I know some of you will be upset because dun dun dun, they are the pumps, which I prefer because it's more environmentally friendly. So I prefer those, but I know a lot of people aren't thrilled. So you have a full-length mirror here on the bathroom door. You have your shower tub combination, which is a nice size. It's just a standard shower tub, but it has some nice details, and then it has a little bench there, which is also really nice. Then you have your toilet, your towels, a little hanger for your towels or your robe or whatever it is you may want to hang. And yeah, I think this is a great room. This is a really good sized room. it's really large. I don't know if you can kind of see and get an idea of how large it is, but it is a really large room. It has some really great details. So we're thrilled to be staying here. We've never stayed here before. Like I mentioned, I've stayed at Riverside, but I've never stayed here. So we're really excited to be here, and we're actually doing a split stay. So we'll be here for a couple nights, and then we're going over to Wilderness Lodge for a couple nights. But we're excited to be here, and I think this is great. So let us know in the comments if you've ever stayed at Port Orleans Riverside. We'd love to hear from you and know about what your experience was and what your favorite moderate resort is. So let us know in the comments what your thoughts on Port Orleans French Quarter, not Riverside, are, and let us know what you think. Thank you so much for stopping by, and for the love of the mouse, never forget that it all started with a mouse.